Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 4, 2022, 1-star Sudoku. Column G and fourth row we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second grade. Only 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 4. Column G we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Second row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, 8. Column H and column I we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column I we have 7. 5th row and 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 2. 6th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Seventh row also we have 2. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 5th row we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. 6th row and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 6. Column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. 10th row and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C and column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column D, we have 2. And 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th grade, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come any one of the cells. 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. We have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we have 3. 7th grade also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.